Parents, today I will share with you Junior Computer Operator PPSC exam head-on 30/11/2024. Here is the questions. Question: Khutbah-e Amir किसने लिखी? जवाब मौलाना अबुल हसन अली नदवी ने खुतबात अमदिया लिखी। सवाल: आबे हयात के मुसन्निफ का नाम? जवाब: सर सैयद अहमद खान ने आबे हयात लिखी। Question: Congress establishment date? Answer is the Indian National Congress was established on December 28, 1885. Question: When Allama Iqbal became the member of Punjab Assembly? Answer: Allama Iqbal became member of Punjab Assembly in 1926. Question: Marshal Tito, Yugoslavia. Answer is the correct term is Marshal Tito, who was the leader of Yugoslavia. Question: In the Line of Fire book, author name? Answer is the book In the Line of Fire was written by General Pervez Musharraf. Question: Which continent is covered with glaciers? Answer is Antarctica is the continent covered with glaciers. Question: PowerPoint extension. Answer is the file extension for PowerPoint presentation is .pptx. Question: Image file extension. Image file extensions are .jpg, png, gif. Question: Why we use two-factor authentication? Answer: Two-factor authentication is used to enhance security by requiring two forms of identification before granting access to an account, typically a password and a verification code. Question: When we insert a paragraph of a graph, where do we edit it? Answer: After inserting a paragraph graph in Excel, you can edit it using the Chart Tools tab, specifically under the Design and Format options. Question: Eye blindness, make analogy. Answer is eye blindness is to ear deafness. Question: Another name of worksheet is sheet. Question: Worksheet collection is called a collection of workbook. Worksheet is called a workbook. Question: How to make a MS Word data password protected? Answer: To make MS Word data password protected, go to File, Info, Protector, Document, Encrypt with Password. Question: How many set of numbers in MS Word? Home tab. Answer is there are 4 sets of number formatting options. Each bullets numbering multi-level list is in the Home tab under the paragraph group. Question: Physical and logical arrangements of network is called? Answer is the physical and logical arrangement of a network is called the network topology. Question: Remainder function in Excel. Answer: Excel does not have a built-in remainder function, but you can set remainders using conditional formatting or by setting a task list with remainders. Question: How to open command prompt CMD? Answer: You can open the command prompt CMD by pressing Windows +R, typing CMD, and press Enter. Question: How to maximize the window? Answer: Restore options. Question: To maximize a window, click the Maximize button in the top right corner square icon to restore the window. Return to its previous size. Click the Restore Down button, the 2 overlapping squares. Question: Formula start in Excel with which symbol? Answer: A formula in Excel start with the equal sign. Question: How to call any query in command prompt with? Answer: You can use with in command prompt to invoke commands, like with query in some context, but the exact sentence depends on the command you are running. Question: Ctrl+N. Answer is Ctrl+N is the shortcut to create a new document. Question: How to break the line shortcut key. Answer. To break the line in MS Word or Excel use Shift plus Enter. Question. How to center the text shortcut. Answer is to center the text use Ctrl plus A. Question. Left plus right margin. Justify. Answer. To justify text and align it to both the left and the right margin, use the Justify button in the paragraph section or the shortcut Ctrl plus J.